Today I'm showing you guys how to get a TurboTax discount, and I'm going to be showing you guys two methods. One is a method that will be basically applicable to any year and any time, and then the second one will be a very specific deal that's going on right now. So if you're interested in either of those, just watch till the end of the video. So obviously, first thing you're going to want to do is search up TurboTax into Google. Now, what I like to do is I like to skip the sponsored results and just go right to the actual website right here. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of stuff that you can fill out. I'm going to go ahead and click this, and then it's going to bring you up to here. So obviously, you're going to need a TurboTax account. So go ahead and create one. And after you've created one, it's going to give you an option. This option is called the TurboTax Referral Program. And essentially, if you sign up for TurboTax and you'd like to share this with your friends or just anybody that you also work with, you can give them a referral link, and that referral link will actually save your friend 20%. So if you also know somebody else that has TurboTax, you can ask them for their TurboTax referral link and instantly get 20% off, whether you're using it for personal reasons or for commercial reasons. Regardless, it gives you 20% off of that reward. But let's say you actually want to either one, bump up the percentage, or two, get a much better deal. This is something that I found out pretty recently. So I personally use this bank called Chase. I personally use Chase for business, but I think this is applicable for Chase personal as well, as I own both of those accounts. And there's this feature that Chase comes with, which I feel like a lot of people doesn't talk about, and that's simply the Chase offers. And this is often the reason for not finding it. It's because it's actually hidden a little bit lower. So if I scroll down to the bottom of this page, there's going to be this thing that says offers. So obviously I have a couple things blurred out just to save for privacy reasons. But here we have 115 offers, and what you're going to want to do is click that. It'll then bring you onto this page. Now here's where you have to go. So once you're on this page, go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom, ignoring all the other offers. You might find it here, but if you don't find it here, all you have to do is Control F on your keyboard and then search up TurboTax. As you can see, only one pops up, which is this, and it's going to get highlighted. So this is the 30% cashback. So go ahead and click that, and then using this link, go ahead and press go to website. So not only do you get the 20% from the referral link, you can also get 30% cashback from this. But obviously, you're going to need to have a Chase account, which is super easy to open. There are two options. Either one, you can open it online simply by pressing open an account, or two, you can go to your local Chase account and just open up a bank account for free. Especially if you're a student, you can then get a discount and not pay a monthly fee. But for those that aren't a student, you can just apply into this, and as long as you meet certain criterias, they won't actually charge you monthly. You can have this completely free. So I don't pay anything to have this bank account. So alongside the bank account, you'll get TurboTax and save huge amounts from both the referrals and from the cashback. If this was helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like.